Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Logitech mouse sensitivity without G-Hub. So first of all, let's go to the My Windows search and type mouse settings. Click on the first option, and as you can see, you can change cursor speed right here. It is 10 by default, you can change to 1 and your mouse becomes very slow. You can change to 20. It is fast, but I like to change other way. Like you can click additional mouse options, and as you can see, if you go to the pointer options, you will select slow or fast. So slow is this one and fast like this. If you don't like or want to reset by default, you can click cancel. But if you want to save options, select your sensitivity and click apply. Click OK, and that's it. That's how you change your sensitivity on Microsoft Windows without G-Hub. So I hope this video was helpful, and thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next video.